In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft OneDrive. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, and this method works well if you want a quick and simple way to find the official sign-in page without needing to type the full website address manually. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type in OneDrive. Then press enter or click the search icon to view the results. You'll usually see several links, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the official Microsoft OneDrive page. This is important because you always want to sign in through the real Microsoft website for security and to avoid any unofficial pages. When you see the Microsoft OneDrive result, click on it to open the site. After the page loads, look for the sign in option if you are not taken directly to it. The layout may look slightly different depending on updates to the website, but the process is generally the same. Next, type in your email address in the sign in field. Make sure you enter the correct email connected to your Microsoft account so you can access the right files and folders in OneDrive. If you have more than one account, double check that you're using the one you actually want for this session. After entering your email, click on Next. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to continue logging in. In most cases, you'll be asked to enter your password, and depending on your account settings, you may also need to complete a verification step. Just carefully read each screen and continue through the prompts until the login process is complete. If you're using a personal device, you may see an option asking whether you want to stay signed in. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's usually better not to stay signed in for privacy and security reasons. Taking that extra moment can help protect your account. Once everything is entered correctly and the prompts are completed, you should be taken into your Microsoft OneDrive account, where you can access your stored files online. If the page doesn't load as expected or your login doesn't work, check your email entry for mistakes and make sure you're on the official Microsoft site before trying again. That's all it takes to log into Microsoft OneDrive. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be signed in and ready to go.